Welcome to the Lingokids Dance Contest. Can you do the winter dance as well as Lisa? Snowman, present. Snowman, present. Let's dance. Snowman, present. Snowman, present. Woohoo! Very good. Next round, let's go. Shake your body. Present, snowman, snowman. Present, snowman, snowman. Good job. Keep dancing. It's time to dance. Scarf, gloves, scarf. Scarf, gloves, scarf. Nicely done. Next round, let's go. Complete and extend the pattern. Let's dance. Snowflake, snowman, snowflake, snowman, snowflake. You are an amazing dancer. Keep dancing. Which item comes next? Shake your body. Gloves, snowflake, snowflake. Gloves, snowflake, snowflake. Gloves. Woohoo! Very good. Next round, let's go. What comes next in the pattern? It's time to dance. Glasses, present, present. Glasses, present, present. Glasses. Good job. Bye. See you in the next dance contest.